Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Emma. Matthew is here too, but he's just outside at the minute, and we're going to give you a tour of our junior suite at the Duke Boutique Hotel in Gozo, Malta. So as I've said, this is one of the junior suites at the Duke Boutique Hotel. You come in through the door and you've got your bed here. They have even very kindly left us lovely gifts as well. Through here is the bathroom. And it's got all your usual amazing shampoo, conditioner and shower gel as well. You have slippers, hair dryer. And the good thing is this hotel comes with your own robes as well. It's a very big bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom. Another thing you have as well is the heated towel rail as well. And then you come back out, you've got a huge wardrobe with an iron board and iron as well, which does make a big difference. And you've got your safe in here too. Extra blanket. Plenty room. We are staying for a week. We do need to empty our case, but there is lots of room where we can put our stuff. You have a big TV. Now this has got two patio doors, so you've got along to the other one. You come back in, a little place to put your suitcase, and then you have a table you can do if you really want to, some work on it. Here is the menus. We had a look earlier and they're really cheap. They're not expensive at all for it being a hotel. Then you've got the food menu. Again, the prices for being a hotel aren't that bad. They also offer treatments and massages too. You can even get them in your own room if you want. Then you have your little coffee making station and snacks. These snacks you do need to pay for them, but again, they're really not expensive at all. The water is free, and then you've got your coffee making machine. Under here are some more storage space, and then now this mini bar is fully stocked, but the prices for it are actually on that drinks menu that I showed you. Over here's a little seating area as well, and because it comes with a hot tub, which I'll show you in a second, they even have your own flip-flops to make up and little towels as well, and then some instructions on how to use the hot tub. Then outside, the best part, the hot tub and sun terrace. Now this is sun facing, we've been told, so it's one of the better ones.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out.
So that is a very quick tour of our room. We will do some more videos as well and add it to this short video about just the hotel in general and things that you can do there with this room. Not sure if it's all rooms, I'd need to double check that. It does include a buffet breakfast, so we'll have that in the morning and let you know what it's like. But yeah, it's a really big room, and so far so good. We've not long checked in. It was ready before the 3 o'clock when we got here. We also booked transfers with the hotel too, so that was from the airport to the port to then get the ferry to Gozo, and then a taxi waiting on the other end for us as well, and there was absolutely no hassle at all. The hotel workers here are lovely too. Before we arrived, they kept up to date with the emails, let us do online check-in before we arrived to make it a bit quicker and smoother when we did get here. But they are so friendly. We did have to phone them when we got off the ferry because our taxi wasn't there, but that was because we managed to get in earlier than they thought we would, because they're running what they call the shuttle ferries at the minute, which they wouldn't normally do. So that was why we didn't have a taxi driver waiting for us, but it's purely because we got in the early ferry, but I phoned reception and they couldn't be nicer. They were phoning the taxi, asking where they were and keeping us updated, and it was fine. We only waited about 10 minutes, but like I said, it was simply because we got the early ferry, so we couldn't really complain. But so far, so good. Just here is reception and where you get your breakfast. Just in here.
On a trip, on a boat, on a lake, I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
This is the way in to the hotel. And then when you get to this ATM, turn left. So you can take the left, it's just there, or you can walk up. We've just been walking up.
When my dance on, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again, even in another lifetime. Find me then, and let's do tonight again. First weekday problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again, even in another lifetime. Find me then, and let's do tonight again. Repeat, rewind until daylight. Repeat, rewind, and put your hands up. Oh, keep those hands up for tonight.